Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna cook a very unique and yummy recipe known as egg chow chow rice. At first I have given 1.5 teaspoon of white oil in it, and now I will put 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste in this. Fry it, and now I will put this chopped onion. Now I will put this green bean, boiled carrot, chopped. Fry this. I'll now put this capsicum, green capsicum in this. Salt according to taste. Sugar. Again, and we'll keep this for 5 minutes. Right. Now let's see what is up to. So it is almost fried. Now I will put this egg bhurji, which I have already fried with a little bit of black pepper powder and salt. I will put this, not full, half. Now I will put this boiled basmati rice in it. Slowly stir it. Now I will put this boiled chow or noodles in this. Stir this. Now I will put soya sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of soya sauce, this, little bit of sugar and salt. Put this remaining egg bhurji in it. Slowly stir this. So this egg chow chow rice is ready to serve. So I will take it in one plate. So egg chow chow rice is ready to serve. You can serve this with any type of sabzi or as a pot meal itself. So guys, our egg chow chow rice is ready to serve. And if you really like this recipe of mine, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friends and subscribe to my channel for other such recipe. I'm going to come with new recipes. So till then, take care. Bye bye guys.